What happens when we change languages in Duolingo? Welcome back to the channel, and let's head right into the video. So when we change a course or language in Duolingo, it does not change much. However, you will see some of the difference. In your left hand side, you will see a flag icon according to the language you selected. You can see that I have selected Spanish, so that I have a Spain flag. You can easily select any course, and accordingly the flag icon will be changed. If you select Chinese, the flag will set into China. For instance, if I set my course or my language to Latin and tap on Continue, my Duolingo will automatically set me up with the courses or the lesson plan for Latin language. All you have to do is tap on Continue, and you are all set to start up your new language course. And that is all that you will notice on your Duolingo every time you change a language. The flag change is mostly the most prominent change in your Duolingo when you change a language. If you face any of the glitch issue whenever you change a language, all you have to do is open your phone setting and select on apps and go to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Duolingo. Force stop your application and head to storage and cache to clear up the cache. This will solve any of the bug or glitch issue. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.